Blessings and welcome to Earth Heart Radio. Finally beginning to awaken from the illusion of separateness and broadcasting live from the KSKQ studios in beautiful Ashland, Oregon. Here's your host, Derek Moody.
Good afternoon. Thank you, brothers and sisters, for joining me today on this Sunday afternoon. Boy, it's with a heavy heart that I am hosting today's show. Had some pretty bad news yesterday, and I'm not going to dwell on it long. Not that she doesn't deserve much more than that, but my sister passed away yesterday unexpectedly. So today I'm dedicating my show to Christy Allen, who at 46 years young departed this material world, and it was very unexpected. And I'm sending my condolences and love and sympathies to her family all around the world and in Omaha, Nebraska and Pennsylvania. And Christy, you'll be missed. Today is Earth Heart Radio show number 48. I'd like to announce that I do intend to keep producing Earth Heart Radio show. I'm going to keep the show going. I'm just 1 week away from the 1 year anniversary show. And next week we will have Sister Tracy as my guest. Sister Tracy is the co-host and co-producer of the 20-year running Church of Rock radio show. She has a psychology master's degree in psychology, second degree in religious studies. She was my very first guest when Earth Heart Radio show started 1 year ago. We had a pretty compelling conversation about lucid dreaming, and I do believe it's one of the more popular hits on the channel, our YouTube channel, Earth Heart. Yeah, a lot of folks found that compelling, and they went back and researched and listened. And Sister Tracy will be my guest next Sunday as we delve into whatever topic she decides she would like to talk about. That'll be interesting. Thanks to everyone who did take the time to give me feedback about the Earth Heart Radio show. I have had trepidation about whether to keep the show going or not, but I'm happy to report that the positive feedback did outweigh the negative, and I'm going to keep the show going. You can, again, find Earth Heart Radio on YouTube and Facebook. You can count on beautiful music and positive news on every show. And I'm going to focus on another high-frequency person today. But first, the bread and butter of today's Earth Heart Radio show. I must thank my friend Red. She's been giving me these ideas about sounds and audio vacations, if you'll kind of follow along here. You can close your eyes today and really relax and let these sounds take you to exactly where they're coming from. Today I'm going to play real sounds of nature. Yep. It's going to be fun. Kick back and relax. Close your eyes and let yourself go to these different geographical locations. You can just sit back in your own home. You don't have to go anywhere. Just close your eyes. Listen to Mother Nature and the various audio experiences that are produced by divine Mother Nature. Animals, trees, water, air, and more. Close your eyes and enjoy the journey. Maybe engage in 3-part breathing if you want. Let this hour serve as meditation. Let this hour serve as education. Let this hour bring us together. Let's journey to the Amazon rainforest first. Close your eyes and no cheating or you just cheat yourself. You're listening to the Real Sounds of Nature show on the Earth Heart Radio show right here on KSKQ, where we're heading to the Amazon rainforest. Close your eyes. Thank you. You are listening to KSKQ Radio, the Real Sounds of Nature show, and I apologize for the rough start there, and thank you to the gentleman that called me that said he couldn't hear anything. That's right, I had failed to realize that some of these recordings, since they are real, are a lot lower than, say, music, so it doesn't come out the way it normally should, so I had to do a little different operation there. You're at KSKQ Radio. I'm Derek Moody, and we're going to keep rolling on. We're going to move on to our next location. I'm going to ask you to close your eyes as we journey to the Australian outback to check out birds of the Australian outback right here at the Earth Heart Radio show in KSKQ.
All right, bye.
Sorry about that, my friends. You're at KSKQ Radio, experiencing real sounds of nature. You know, you'd be surprised at how hard it is to find real sounds. A lot of the stuff is made by keyboards or generated by not real sounds, basically. Today I have found nothing but real sounds, and we're going to take a different turn, and we're going to go to the ocean now. If you don't mind, I would like to give you some relaxing ocean waves to enjoy right here at the Earth Heart Radio show. If I can find my correct cordage, here it is. My friends, thanks for being here. I hope you like the ocean, because that's where we're going to head right now. If you don't mind, at the Earth Heart Radio show on KSKQ. Well, I seem to have come to a snag. I'm sorry about that, my friends. Let's see. Maybe this one will be the one that I think would be better for me. Yes, here we go. are meditating at KSKQ, or should I say you're listening to KSKQ and the relaxing sounds of ocean waves. Thank you for being here today, my friends. I really appreciate everybody tuning in to check out the real sounds of nature. KSKQ has a new sponsor. Listeners who would like to support local community radio can now sign up for local internet services, and by doing so, directly help support this local community radio station. Visit www.sisq.net or call 541-734-2355 to get locally supported high-speed internet in your home or business. Thanks again for being here at the Earth Heart Radio Show. We've got positive news coming up. Going to play some music for you, and we'll spotlight a high-frequency individual. But in the meantime, it's back to more real sounds of nature. I hope somebody's getting some benefit today. I hope someone's finding this enjoyable. And if that person is you, please let me know after the show. And also, I want to let you know that I'm going to play some Tibetan monks chanting with singing bowls. Are you ready for that? I'm going to be giving away a signed book by author Gary Gautier later during the show. And if you would like to win that, stay tuned, because it's a rather good book, according to those who have read it. And I've skimmed it. It's a great book, actually. Hippies is the book by Gary Gautier. I'll be giving that away shortly, autographed by the author. Right now, it's Tibetan monks meditating with singing bowls and chanting. Enjoy. Close your eyes. The Earth Heart Radio Show and KSKQ. Got to get through the rubbish to get to the deal. Sometimes it's hard to do a radio show like this by yourself, but I'm trying. home, Mani Padme Hum. You are listening to the Real Sounds of Nature show on the Earth Heart Radio show here at KSKQ, and I'm so glad to have you here. Derek Moody is my name, and hosting the Earth Heart show is my game. We're not done. Sister Brenda requested the sounds of whales, and I'm going to tell you that I intend to do a Real Sounds of Nature show once a month, I think. I think so, especially if I get any positive feedback. I'm really enjoying this, man. My eyes are closed, too, as this is happening, and it's kind of fun. It's meditation in action, and if any of you are closing your eyes and doing this with me, you can't say it's not relaxing, right? I think it is. So how about some dolphin calls, huh? How about some short dolphin calls for fun? Yeah? You're at KSKQ. This is for you, Brenda. Next time we'll do the whales at the Earth Heart Radio show.
Broadcasting live from KSKQ Radio in Ashland, Oregon. Thanks for tuning in.
You are at the Earth Heart Radio show, and that was the sounds of dolphins playing, okay? My friends, how about some comic relief? Anyone that knows me knows that I have a sense of humor, and I thought it'd be a good time to play something that might be humorous. I find this humorous, okay? If you think goats yelling like humans is funny, you're going to love this. Yeah, I said goats yelling like humans. This is pretty wacky. It's the Real Sounds of Nature show at KSKQ and the Earth Heart Radio show.
What can I do for you?
Zapatero, ¿qué opina usted del gobierno de Zapatero? Pues igual que yo. ¿Y qué opina usted? ¿Qué opina usted? ¿Qué opina usted del gobierno canario? ¿Y de los ayuntamientos de la isla?
Established in August of 2019, you're listening to the Earth Heart Radio Show with Derek Moody on KSKQ.
Yeah, thanks for being here, my friends. I'd like to say hello to my listeners, Oddly Toddly, and also Mama Bear. Hello to Chris Strow and Kelly and Ricky and Jimbo Middleton, Tiffany Maud and Scott in Medford. Hope you guys are having a good day today on this lovely Sunday. I hope you enjoyed the goats yelling like humans. When I heard that, I was literally cracking up at home, and I thought, well, people are either going to like this or find it very annoying, and I hope that you liked it somewhat at least, you know. So, yeah, I'd like to close today's Sounds of Nature show with some relaxing Tibetan singing bowls. You know what I mean? We heard some monks chanting earlier, but I'd like to just have a short session with some singing bowls to take us out of here. And then we'll go into the Saint Spotlight. How's that? Yeah? Sounds good? Thanks for being here at the Earth Heart Radio Show in KSKQ.
Saints, angels, avatars, sages, yogis, holy men, medicine women, helpers, elders, revolutionaries, and advocates of love. Today we honor and show love, respect, and gratitude.
You are at the Earth Heart Radio Show. Thank you for being here. I'm Reverend Moody, and I was trying to think ahead and look ahead and try to find a song to play for you guys. And boy, I hope I got the right CD in here today. I've got a brand new CD from the band Kripa, and I seem to have misplaced it. But right now it's time for the Saint Spotlight, so we'll worry about the song in just a couple of minutes. And in the meantime, today I've picked a gentleman to speak of by the name of Swami Muktananda. Swami Muktananda was born Krishna Rai on May 16, 1908, to a well-off family in India. At age 15, he encountered Bhagavan Nityananda, a wandering Advahuta, which is a mystic saint beyond duality and worldly concerns, who profoundly changed his life. Krishna Rai left home and began his search for the experience of God. He studied under Siddharutha Swami, where he learned Sanskrit, Vedanta, all branches of yoga, and he took the name Swami Muktananda after more studies and the death of his guru. He began wandering India on foot, studying with many different saints and gurus. Pardon me as I put a little filter in front of this mic so I don't pop my peas. So he began wandering around India, looking for his own path. In 1947, Swami Muktananda received Shaktipat initiation. It was a profound and sublime experience for him. He did spend the next 9 years living in a little hut in Yola. He wrote about sadhana and Kundalini-related meditation experiences in his autobiography. In 1956, he started teaching his Sita Yoga path, and between 1970 and 1981, he did tour the world 3 times, establishing ashrams and meditation centers in many countries. In 1975, he founded the Sita Yoga Ashram in Oakland, and in 1979, he established an ashram in the Catskill Mountains northwest of New York City, and he wrote many books which are still in print. He established a couple of public trusts in India and in the USA. He did a lot of global work with Siddha Yoga meditation. He did build a total of 31 ashrams around the world. Baba Ram Dass introduced Swami Muktananda to the United States in 1970. Swami started, however, to become very westernized. And it seems like money and materialization started to really influence him, in my opinion. And the controversies that are many, quite frankly, are a little overwhelming. A person can make spiritual progress under corrupt masters just as placebos can actually make you feel better. But how far can a person really grow spiritually under a master who doesn't himself live the truth? He was called an extraordinarily enlightened man, learned and articulate. Many, however, accuse Swami Muktananda of being inevitably corrupted by power. And I have to be honest in my presentation of these beings, so feel free to do your own research and to draw your own conclusions about Swami Muktananda. You are listening to the Earth Heart Radio Show, where I thought I had a song ready to go, but I don't. So, in the last several weeks, I guess the last 7 weeks or so, I've been playing a song from the great Willie Nelson from the Stardust album. And it's one of the more beautiful albums he ever wrote. And I thought, why not carry on the tradition? I have 3 more songs to play, and then this album will have been shared with you every week for, 10 weeks. Let's continue the tradition from 1978. It's the great Willie Nelson. Let's see, what track do I want to play for you today? How about if we do Georgia on My Mind? It's a great rendition, that's for sure. You're at the Earth Heart Radio Show in KSKQ.
Georgia, the whole day through, just an old sweet song keeps Georgia on my mind. Georgia, Georgia, a song of you comes sweet and clear as moonlight through the pines. Other arms reach out to me, other eyes smile tenderly. Still in peaceful dreams I see the road leads back to you. Georgia, Georgia, no peace I find, just an old sweet song keeps Georgia on my mind. Georgia, Georgia, no peace I find. Just an old sweet song keeps Georgia on my mind. Just an old sweet song keeps Georgia on my mind. 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 On my mind.
Yeah, the great Willie Nelson, man, with Georgia on My Mind, Stardust album 1978. Just got a call from Jack, who said he left a cassette tape for me of Bhagavan Das in concert, and apparently somebody must have gotten it around here, so I'm going to have to do some digging, maybe send some emails out to some of the good people that volunteer here at KSKQ so I can track down this cassette tape that was left laying against the door here in the studio, I believe, recently. So if you're listening and you volunteer at KSKQ and you found that cassette tape, if you could put that in Derek Moody's inbox, that would be so appreciated. My friends, thank you for being here. Next week, Sister Tracy will be my guest. Locals Guide is committed to community building through the creation of positive media. They offer a monthly magazine, mobile travel guides, and visitor information kiosks, which offer timely and accurate local information to people just like you all around the world. KSKQ thanks Locals Guide and listeners like you for supporting community radio. This is normally the time I press a little button and then my intro starts for the positive news. Well, I got my CDs mixed up and I'm not sure which one is which. So I'm afraid if I press the wrong button, the building might blow up or something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do the positive news right now without that darn intro. I don't need no stinking intro. No, I can do it without it, right? So I got a request for some Neil Young, too. That's kind of cool. Maybe I'll try to get Neil in after this if I have time. Positive news story number 1. U.S. lawmakers propose legislation to reform the police. On Monday, following weeks of protests against police brutality and racism in the United States, politicians in Congress proposed sweeping legislation to reform the police. The Justice in Policing Act 2020 would make it easier to prosecute officers for misconduct, require officers to use body cams and dashboard cameras, and to ban the use of chokeholds to apprehend suspects. The proposed bill also limits the sale of military weapons to the police, gives the Department of Justice the authority to investigate force for evidence of bias. They can investigate police forces for the evidence of bias or misconduct and create a national database of complaints against the police. Funds would be withheld from police forces that did not make the reforms. Before unveiling the bill, lawmakers read the names of black men and women who have died at the hands of police in recent years and then knelt for 8 minutes and 40 seconds in memory of George Floyd. The Justice in Policing Act 2020 will probably pass through the Democrat-controlled House of Representatives, but it's likely to face opposition in the Republican-controlled Senate. Just more separation. Right, Brother Chance? Positive news story number 2. Portugal teaches the world how to deal with drugs. As many countries struggle with escalating rates of drug addiction, Portugal has successfully reduced overdose deaths by more than 90% since 1999 as a result of a radical shift in its drug policy. Portugal had a serious addiction big problems in the 90s, but they decided to decriminalize all drugs across the board rather than being arrested and possibly jailed. Those caught with no more than a 10-day supply received a warning, a small fine, or they were told to report to an official about getting treatment. The policy is to treat each individual differently, and people are considered as a sick person, and they must access treatment with the same dignity as people who suffer from other diseases. The figures are pretty startling, friends. In 1999, Portugal had 369 overdose deaths. In 2016, they only had 30. Hey, America, let's change. Positive news number 3 for the animal lovers. Yeah, in elephant baby boom news, Gary Floyd, if you're listening, it's for you, bro. Over in Kenya, the combination of interruptions in international travel and periods of heavy rainfall has led to Kenyan wildlife officials reporting a recent elephant baby boom. In Kenya's Amboseli National Park, 140 elephants were born in a single calving season. That's a record in this park, known for its breathtaking views of Kilimanjaro and the savannah. 140 beautiful calves have been born in 2020, and more are expected. The Kenya Wildlife Service reported last week that from 1989 through today, the nation's elephant population has more than doubled. This is in part because authorities in the past couple of years have managed to tame poaching in the country, thank goodness. And according to reports from the Tourist and Wildlife Department, World Elephant Day was August 12th. I didn't know they had a World Elephant Day. And included in the good news was very special news that 2 of the newborn calves were twins, a rarity among the species. Cynthia Moss, director of the Amboseli Trust for Elephants, said, "It seems baby elephants are falling out of the sky." So wonderful. I love elephants. How can people shoot those animals? Let's pray that the elephants continue to multiply. Om Namah Shivaya. Lord Krishna, please continue to let the elephants multiply. Let them thrive and live and breathe, and may the poaching lessons stop completely. Hare Rama, Hare Rama. Positive news number 4. Free food and free love. Sounds good to me. In a small town in Alabama, there's a little restaurant where there's no cash register and no prices, just a whole lot of soul and soul food, which I love. Yep, at Drexel and Honeybees in downtown Brewton, Alabama, near the Florida border. The menu changes daily, but there's always a hearty selection of southern dishes to enjoy. Fried chicken, cornbread, collard greens often show up at lunchtime from Tuesday to Thursday. And no matter how down on their luck a person is, they never have to worry about having no money for lunch at Drexel and Honeybees. Once you've finished your dessert, maybe a blueberry cobbler perhaps, you can leave whatever you can in a private booth near the restaurant entrance, and even if just a handful of coins or a little thank you note. The owners, a husband and wife team, Freddie and Lisa Thomas McMillan, make no profit from their restaurant. 100% of the donations go back into serving people food. Now, what do they get out of this? Joy. They say there's a real joy to knowing that their customers leave with a full stomach and a full heart and the understanding that you are loved and you're worthy of love. Feed the need is their mission statement, and whatever needs people have, if we can help them, we will. And with COVID-19 affecting so many, they've figured out a way to do to-go orders rather safely. Next time you're in Alabama, Drexel and Honeybees is probably worth a road trip for your loving dinner. You know, one time Baba Bhagavan Das explained to me that when you go to a restaurant to eat food, you're not just eating food, you're also eating the vibrations of the people that cooked your food or prepared your food. If they're in a bad mood or hateful or have, bad frequencies or something happening, he's under the impression that when you eat that, then you take on some of that, That's his opinion, and I think it makes a little bit of sense, kind of. Yeah, sort of. Thanks for being here at the Earth Heart Radio Show. I am Derek Moody. That does wrap up the positive news stories. I've got a little more time than expected, so how about if I honor the request that I did receive. This goes out for Brother Chance in Florida. It's called Heart of Gold. It's Neil Young, the Earth Heart Radio Show and KSKQ Radio. Oh boy, I'm just pressing the wrong buttons today, guys. Apologize. I've been dealing with a little grief, and it's kind of throwing my game off a bit. Try it again.
Searching for a heart of gold. You keep me searching and I'm growing old. Keep me searching for a heart of gold. I've been a miner for a heart of gold.
Peace on Earth. You're at the Earth Heart Radio Show on KSKQ. KSKQ.
Yes, indeed. We've got about 10 more minutes, and as soon as I get done speaking, the very first person that can call me at the station, I'll give you a free copy autographed by author Gary Gautier. The book is called Hippies. It's new, it's good, it's free, but you have to wait until I'm done talking, and then the first person that calls me at 541-482-3999, I'll mail you a copy of the book. Out of my own pocket. How's that for a deal, huh? 541-482-3999. After I'm done talking, first person gets that bad book. Okay? Thanks, man. That was Neil Young with Heart of Gold. I've got some quotes I would like to share with you, if that's okay. I've got a quote from Rumi. Ignore those that make you feel fearful and sad, that degrade you back towards disease and death. Another quote from Rumi. There is a candle in your heart, ready to be kindled. There is a void in your soul, ready to be filled. You feel it, don't you? How about another quote from the great Rumi? Set your life on fire. Seek those who fan your flames. Wow, good stuff, powerful stuff. How about a quote from the great Ramakrishna? God is in all men, but all men are not in God. That is why we suffer. Another quote from Ramakrishna. Work, apart from devotion or love of God, is helpless and cannot stand alone. All right, one more quote from my personal guru, the Anandamayi Ma. At every breath, try to be in communion with him or her through the name. One more quote at the Earth Heart Radio Show from Anandamayi Ma. Solely by turning to God is there any hope for man to gain peace. I believe that, to be honest. I really do, man. I don't think there's a lot of peace to be found unless you turn inward. The world's extremely volatile right now, and all we can do is just keep hanging on and putting love out into the universe, right? Here's Mama Cass. Dream a little dream of me. And here at the Earth Heart Radio Show on KSKQ.
Good. Second and
Shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper, I love you. Birds singing in the sycamore tree. Dream a little dream of me. Say nighty-night and kiss me. Just hold me tight and tell me you'll miss me while I'm alone and blue as can be. Dream a little dream of me. Stars fading, but I linger on, dear. Still craving your kiss. I'm longing to linger till dawn, dear. Just saying this. Sweet dreams till sunbeams find you. Sweet dreams that leave all worries behind you. But in your dreams, whatever they be, dream a little dream of me. Stars fading, but I linger on, dear. Still craving your kiss. I'm longing to linger till dawn, dear. Just saying this. Sweet dreams till sunbeams find you. Sweet dreams that leave all worries far behind you. But in your dreams, whatever they be, dream a little dream of me. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
Dream a little dream with me, baby. Hit bound boss banana from your mama. Bebop banana bird.
You are at the Earth Heart Show with the great late Mama Cass Elliott with Dream a Little Dream of Me at the Earth Heart Radio Show in KSKQ. You're listening to KSKQ 89.5 FM Ashland, Oregon and 94.1 FM Medford, Oregon. Congratulations to Oddly Toddly, who called and won the book Hippies, autographed by Gary Gautier. You can go to GaryGautier.com for more information. Thank you for tuning in. Philosophy Radio is next. Much love and Hare Krishna to you. I love you, Christy.
You've been listening to Earth Heart Radio with your host, Derek Moody. Earth Heart Radio is produced by Derek Moody in association with Sister Tracy and Krishna Consciousness. Please tune in every Sunday at 2 p.m. Pacific Time for more Earth Heart Radio.